Photoline is a registered trademark of Computer Insel, and I am in no way affiliated with Computer Insel. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to navigate around your photos. I've opened up a JPEG. I went to File and Open, and I have that on my computer. I've just opened it up. Like I said, it's a JPEG file. And if you come up to the top left and select the magnifying glass, with this you can zoom in to your picture by clicking your mouse button, and if you want to zoom out, just hold down the Alt or the Option key, and you can also use the right mouse button if you have multiple buttons on your mouse, and you can zoom out that way. Another thing you can do is if you just click and drag around where you want to zoom into, it's going to automatically do that for you. And down here at the bottom you've got a percentage. If you click the arrow button next to that, you can choose a percentage to zoom in to, and you can also come in and manually input that as well. I'm going to zoom into 100%. And if you come down below the magnifying glass, you'll see a hand. With this, you can click and drag your photo around if you're zoomed in, and also you can use your scroll button on your mouse if you have one to go up and down, or you can come down here to the bar at the bottom and go left or right. And you may notice that over here on the left you've got your page map, and that's going to show you where you're zoomed in on your picture, and you can click and drag this around as well, so you can get in and figure out where you need to work on. But that's how you zoom in and move around your picture in Photoline.